fresh, cold water. Dun, 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 dun. So we're driving down the road, Hickory Run, minding our own business, and all of a sudden, Adrian said, what did you say?
I said we could just find our own path to walk that no one else has walked before.
We could just find our own spot. And all of a sudden, I saw this stream, and I swerved off the road, and this is what we found. I just pulled over, and all of a sudden, this is right where we pulled over. And
I'm here. Hello.
Adrian's here, and we walked, this is like downhill, we walked upstream.
We're walking uptown.
Uptown, upstream from where the car is. The car is over there in the middle of the woods. I cut 2 walking sticks, and we just started walking upstream in the water. And we got up all the way up to here to this dam or breakwater, and we're going to sit down in the stream and get some really, really cold water. All right. Woohoo! Dun dun dun.